Hey guys, today we're diving into editing Base44 projects with VS Code. First, make sure you have Base44 installed and your project ready. Open VS Code, then connect your Base44 project folder. You can now use VS editors, terminal, and extensions to edit front-end code, tweak logic, and manage assets. Next, for backend edits, VS Code lets you run local testing and debug API calls directly. Push changes back to base44 using their deployment commands, and you'll see updates reflected instantly on your app. VS Code also gives a syntax highlighting, autocomplete, and Git integration, making collaboration and coding faster and cleaner. This workflows keeps your base44 project organized while giving the power of a professional IDE. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.